Hi everyone, it's your boy Dean and welcome to my channel. I just hit my finger. And yeah, I know, it's been long since last video. I had a lot of things to do and I was busy. Yeah, I'm here back again. Today, as I promised, we're gonna do some art and yeah. For today's video, we have this dude. That's Superstar Adidas. I used it all the time. This dude is my favorite. We're gonna customize it. So without further ado, let's start the clip.
Didn't even get to cross.
So as you see, not bad. I mean, it's dirty. First of all, I need to clean it up before we start customizing. Look how that turns out.
Oh my god!
They turn super clean.
Wow!
So that was the final result. I hope you like it. Comment below what is your favorite character, what do you want me to do next time. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you do, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.